is Ruhanadya. I am studying in grade 50. Today I am telling a Karnataka and Uttarakhand dance forms and the music forms. Karnataka and Uttarakhand are rich in the traditional and cultural heritage in the two vibrant community. Dance forms. Cholia dance, where the Kuman during they dance on the marriage ceremony in Uttarakhand. Yakshagana, a vibrant dance form performed in the coastal Karnataka. Pandavritya, where the dance drama that narrate the story of Mahabharata in the several days in the festival. Kunita, a group of institution dance together is called Kunita. For example, Dollu Kunita, Somana Kunita, and Suggi Kunita. Thali dance, a Thali dance where the women keep the metal plate on their head, and while they dancing, sometimes they join the men also. Jora Chari, where the people hold their hands and dance together is called Jora Chari. Durang During, where the folk dance of Bhutiana tribal were in the occasion of death ceremony. Traditional music forms. Carnatic music, a classical music where is also called a Karnataka Sangeeta. Jagar. These instruments they sing in the songs and dance at performed in Uttarakhand. Janapada Geeta, a folk song where is also show the culture and heritage of the Karnataka. Mangala, they sung during the marriage ceremony in Uttarakhand. Gamaka, a style of singing in Yakshagana performance, is called Gamaka in Karnataka. Churu song, a song where expressed to advise the Uttarakhand. Hindustani music, Karnataka also has a strong music, is also called Hindustani music. Garwali Kumon, it reflects the song of the culture and heritage and respectful of Uttarakhand. I will say one devotional song of Brindavana Saranga Raga. Vanamali Vasudeva, Manamohana Radha Ramana, Shashivadana Sarasi Janayana, Jaganmohana Radha Ramana. Vanamali Vasudeva, Manamohana Radha Ramana, Shashivadana Sarasi Janayana, Jaganmohana Radha Ramana. Pargalalal Pallikonda Parandama Radha Ramana. Pargalalal Pallikonda Parandama Radha Ramana. Vanamali Vasudeva, Manamohana Radha Ramana, Shashivadana Sarasi Janayana, Jaganmohana Radha Ramana. Bhaktargalil Kurai Teekum Sriranga Radha Ramana. Bhaktargalil Kurai Teekum Sriranga Radha Ramana. Vanamali Vasudeva, Manamohana Radha Ramana, Shashivadana Sarasi Janayana, Jaganmohana Radha Ramana. Vaneyundavayavane Kannani Radha Ramana. Veneyundavayavane Kannani Radha Ramana. Venduvaram tandiruva Sriranga Radha Ramana. Venduvaram tandiruva Kannani Radha Ramana. Vanamali Vasudeva,